So if you picture, the muscles have got these nerves surrounding every single strand. And if you picture it like fairy lights, for example, you know how at times fairy lights may not always be activated, or lit up. We're wanting to come in and activate that little fairy light. Ross Emmett, who's the founder of this technique, talks about an example as an electrician. So when you go to switch on a light switch, we're not going to work with the light itself. The switch is actually away from that light and on the wall. So it is a very gentle pressure that we use, and we're working with that nervous system to help reactivate that muscle memory.